Guys, Gavin here from Gavin Man Emerald King. Today we're going to clean our whirlpool. It's dirty, so we're going to clean it. It's from 2001, which is a long time ago. And I'm going to show you how. First you're going to add half a cup of hot butter and dilute it with some white distilled vinegar. And then I'm going to set it in the middle of the microwave and put it on high for about 4 minutes. And hopefully it'll cook all that off, and then we can scrub it off in a little bit. Still got 2 minutes and 58 seconds left, so I'll get the sponge ready, which I'll just take some hot water, make my happy guy happier, and get him wet, and then we'll bring him out, and then after the microwave's done, and then we'll clean it all up. Still got a minute 26 going. Make sure it gets nice and hot in there. Get all that grease gonna be able to be cleaned right up. Whoop, whoop. While we're waiting, if you guys haven't seen my Totino's Party Pizza in the air fryer video, you should have got like 2,000 likes, maybe 2,400. No big. I got another one if you want to check it out. Now we're down to 25 seconds. It's going to be super hot. You got to be super careful when this comes out. You're going to burn yourself. But it's going to be clean. It says end. So we'll open this up. Oh, it smells like vinegar. So we'll take this out. Get this out of here. Whoops. And then we'll take this tray out because now it's hot. We can just clean that in the sink. And we'll take this little ring out. Just clean that in the sink. Take our little scrubbing buddy. And just clean it all the way. And all that stuff right there just comes off. Stuff on the ceiling just comes off. Oh, he's so happy. Alright, so I washed him off. So now he's ready to clean some more. Get all that out of there. Just washes right off. Super clean. Just keep doing that for a good while. And then over here in the sink, I just clean that stuff up with a sponge. And it's right off now that it's hot. And there's vinegar on it. And the final product will be coming up soon. And I got some of it mostly cleaned out. Just a little scrub. I'm going to keep doing it until I get all the corners cleaned out. Put it over here, just a little soap. Some water. Clean all it to make it shine. And then for now, just to get to the point, I'll just grab some paper towels. Get in there and get this dried off. I'll come back through when the video's over and I got 2 hands. You can see that just water and white vinegar makes it way cleaner than what it was. Just as needed to be cleaned a long time ago. But now I'll keep up on it, and now you guys know how to keep up on it too. So thanks for hanging out today. I'm Gavin EMK, and peace!